Well, here we are in Granite, Oklahoma, up at KKVO, and there's tons of damage up here from the Oklahoma ice storm. So give you kind of a look around of the snow that's going on. There's our dish right there. Right there's our air conditioner, and there's the tower. Got to be really careful. You can see that the power lines are all down. It really messed us up. So we're going to be off air here at this site for a while. We're hooking up a generator today, and it should work out better for us. But we got a lot of power down. There's the tower, and it's real foggy up here. Got to be careful for falling ice. But let me give you kind of a tutorial. Here's our station next door to us. You can see what happened to their building. It's pretty much damaged. There's our electrical. It's busted out our meter. These are just huge chunks of ice that are down here that have fallen off the tower. But it's pretty much out. This is what our power is looking like for the site. So we're going to try to hook up some generators. See the ice? I imagine we have ice all over our antenna too. So now that sucks. And there is a transmitter in there. Okay. Look at that ice bridge. Wow. Look at that ice bridge. Knocked out that. Well, here's the inside of our building. It's busted out when it hit the ice, hit the top of the building, and dented the top of our roof of a shipping container. And we have glass all over. Our coax is fine, right?
Yeah.
As far as we know, it's fine.
Here.
At least our ice bridge didn't bust. Our ice bridge did a lot better than theirs. That's the power.
I don't know if he still wants to hook anything up or not.
Well, your emergency light's not working, huh?
Obviously, it doesn't have that 3-year battery.
That
Ballast?
Nuclear
no,
power.
look at both of those dishes where they come.
Right.
The
Feed horns
are
busted off a
both of them.
KTJS's STL.
And that little mini dish.
Our internet dish is smashed.